Delicious! Thank you!
You're welcome!
Yes!
What game are you playing?
Tomato Farmer! You get to build your own garden!
Let's play a farming game. It's time to plant some tomatoes. Move the bags of seeds to the silhouettes. You nailed it. We need to water our tomatoes now. Move the water cans to the silhouettes. Wow! The tomatoes are so colorful. Let's pick them. Click on each tomato bush. Great! You have passed the level.
The more plants, the more points! The more winning!
That sounds fun! But I wonder if building your own garden would be more fun. In the game, you don't get to taste what you grow. It would be really something to grow your own food instead of buying it at the market. Charlie, how hard could it be?
In Tomato Farmer World, you dig the dirt, water it, and watch it grow.
That's what we will do! Let's grow our own tomato plants for our yummy, nutritious meals!
No! No, no! Yay!
Soon, tomato plant! Soon you'll be fully grown! Phew! Grow, tomato plant, grow! Why won't you grow?
Hi, Bimmy! What's the matter?
My garden looks nothing like your tomato farmer game.
What do we do?
Let's ask for help. When something isn't working, the best thing to do is to ask for help.
Okay, who has the best garden in town? We can ask them.
Ben does. Let's go on an adventure to see Ben.
Let's help Bimmy and Charlie find the way to Ben's garden. Move the friend's marker along the path. Hooray! Our friends got to Ben safely.
Hello! What brings you to my little garden?
Ben, can you help me grow a garden? My garden isn't working.
Would love to. Growing and eating your own food is a really healthy choice. What have you done?
I followed Charlie's tomato farmer game.
What type of seed did you plant? To grow a plant, you need a seed. There is a little baby tomato plant in here that is protected by this seed coat. A seed needs water, the right amount of light, and the perfect temperature to grow. What you need to do is plant this seed and water the soil in your garden every morning.
I can do that! Plant seed, water every morning.
Now, please be patient. The growing magic takes time.
Wow! Thanks, Ben!
Are you sure? It's not what the game says.
Let's do like Ben says. He has a beautiful garden. He knows best.
Let's help to grow some tomatoes, as Ben taught us. First, you need to dig a hole. Select a spade to dig the hole. Here's a variety of seeds. Select a tomato seed and move it into the hole. Now, you need to cover the hole with soil. Move the soil to the hole. All you have to do now is water our seeds. Move the drop to the end of the house. Looks like we've done it. Hooray!
Thank you for helping me grow my first garden!
Delicious!
Thank you!
You're welcome! There is nothing so tasty as the food you grow yourself!